Treat small wasp nests at night using selective spot treatments to protect pollinators while removing nuisance stinging insects. Selective insecticide spot treatment means applying a targeted product directly to the wasp nest entry or structure rather than broad sweeping sprays that hit flowers and foraging insects. Use labeled pyrethroid dusts or aerosol foams designed for spot application and follow label directions for dose, timing, and personal protective equipment. Work at night when wasps are inactive and most are inside the nest to maximize contact and minimize forager exposures. Avoid treating or drifting onto blooming plants and nearby foraging pathways to protect bees and other pollinators. If you must work near flowers, physically block blooms with a tarp or work from the opposite side and brush off any dust that lands on vegetation. For ground nesting yellowjackets, use protein or carbohydrate baits placed in protected stations near nest activity in the evening. Use baits designed for wasps and place them so non-target animals cannot access them. If the nest is large, aerial, or inside walls or eaves where you cannot reach the point of entry, call a licensed pest professional rather than attempting risky climbs or heavy applications yourself. Common mistakes are treating during the day when foragers are active, which increases pollinator exposure and risk of stings. Always plan to treat after sunset and wear protective clothing. Another error is using broadcast sprays that contaminate flowers and soil. Switch to spot-applied dusts or foams and physically shield or remove blooms before applying. A frequent problem is misidentifying the nest type and using the wrong approach. If you cannot confirm paper wasp, yellowjacket, or hornet behavior and nest location, observe at a distance during dusk to see entry points or consult a guide before treating. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs related to pest control and pollinator protection. We help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors find work, while also hosting an active discussion community where people share experiences, product tips, and timing strategies for selective wasp treatments.